Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to dip your toes into the world of digital currencies, this video is designed to provide you with valuable insights and clear explanations. We know that the world of cryptocurrency can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you've ever asked yourself, what the heck is cryptocurrency and how does it even work? You're in the right place. Cryptocurrencies can be confusing, but we're here to make it simple and easy to understand for everyone. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, so you can grasp the essentials without feeling lost. Today we're breaking it all down, what crypto is, how it works, and why it's become such a hot topic in the financial world. We'll explore the key concepts and the technology behind it. From blockchain technology to the different types of cryptocurrencies available, we'll cover it all. You'll learn about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular digital currencies, and understand what makes each one unique. We'll also cover what you should know before investing a single cent. From the basics to the more advanced concepts, we've got you covered, ensuring you make informed decisions. We'll discuss the risks and rewards, the volatility of the market, and the strategies you can use to protect your investments. Whether you're looking to invest for the long term or just want to understand the market better, this video will provide you with the knowledge you need. No jargon, no hype, just straight-up facts. Let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of cryptocurrencies and feel more confident about navigating this exciting new world of digital finance. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies together. We promise it will be an enlightening and enjoyable journey. Let's get started. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money. But unlike dollars or euros, it's not issued by a government. Instead, it runs on something called blockchain technology, a decentralized network spread across thousands of computers. Think of it like this. Every time someone makes a crypto transaction, it's recorded on a digital ledger that everyone can see but no one can change. This makes it secure, transparent, and resistant to fraud. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, launched in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. It was created after the 2008 financial crisis as a response to distrust in traditional banks. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have popped up, like Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, and Dogecoin. Some aim to be digital money, while others power entire ecosystems and apps. Let's break it down. Cryptocurrencies run on blockchains. These are like digital highways that keep everything running smoothly. When you send Bitcoin to a friend, your transaction gets grouped with others into a block. That block is then verified by a network of computers called nodes using a process called mining or staking, depending on the coin. Now here's where things get technical, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Bitcoin uses proof of work. Miners solve complex puzzles to validate transactions. It's secure but uses a lot of energy. Ethereum and many others use proof of stake. Here, validators stake coins as collateral. It's more energy efficient and faster. Let's take a look at some of the big names you've probably heard of. Bitcoin, or BTC, the original most valuable. Limited supply of 21 million coins. Ethereum, or ETH, not just money, it runs smart contracts and decentralized apps. Binance Coin, also known as BNB, powers the Binance exchange. Solana, or Sol, is known for its speed and low fees. Dogecoin, often referred to as DOGE, started as a meme but gained a huge community. Buying crypto today is easier than ever. Here's what you need to do to get started with buying cryptocurrency. The process might seem daunting at first, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a crypto owner. First, choose a reliable exchange. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These platforms are user-friendly, secure, and widely trusted. When selecting an exchange, consider factors such as security features, user reviews, and the variety of cryptocurrencies available. It's also important to check if the exchange is regulated in your country, as this can provide an extra layer of security. Next, verify your identity. This process is known as KYC, or Know Your Customer. It ensures the security and legitimacy of your transactions. During KYC, you'll need to provide personal information and documents, such as your ID or passport. This step might take a few minutes to a few days, depending on the exchange. It's a crucial step to prevent fraud and comply with regulations. Then, deposit funds into your account. You can do this through a bank transfer or by using your credit card. Make sure to check the associated fees, as they can vary between payment methods and exchanges. Some platforms might offer lower fees for bank transfers, while others might have promotions for credit card deposits. Always double-check the details to avoid any surprises. Finally, buy your crypto. Select the cryptocurrency you want to invest in and hit the buy button. You can start with popular options like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or explore other altcoins. Congratulations, you now officially own crypto. Remember to store your crypto securely, either on the exchange or in a personal wallet. Happy trading. Once you buy crypto, you need to store it safely. You've got two main options. Hot wallets online, convenient but more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets, offline hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, much safer for large amounts. If you're investing seriously, consider a cold wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. Okay, so now you have crypto, what can you actually do with it? Send money globally with low fees, invest or trade for profit. Use it in DeFi, that's decentralized finance. You can earn interest, lend or borrow, buy NFTs, donate to causes, or even shop online. Now let's get real, crypto isn't all sunshine and Lambos, there are risks. Volatility, prices can swing wildly in minutes, scams, rug pulls, fake giveaways, phishing sites, regulatory risk, governments are still figuring it out. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always double-check websites, apps, and wallets before sending any crypto. Here are a few golden rules if you're just starting out. Start small. Begin with a modest investment to get a feel for the market. This way, you can learn without risking too much. The world of cryptocurrency can be volatile and unpredictable, so it's wise to dip your toes in the water before diving in headfirst. By starting with a small amount, you can observe how the market behaves and understand the dynamics at play. This cautious approach allows you to make mistakes and learn from them without suffering significant financial losses. Remember, the goal is to build your knowledge and confidence gradually. You don't need to go all in, even $10 is enough to learn. Do your own research. Spend time understanding the basics and the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read books, watch tutorials, and follow reputable sources to get a comprehensive understanding of how cryptocurrencies work. Familiarize yourself with terms like blockchain, decentralization, and smart contracts. This foundational knowledge will serve as your compass in navigating the complex world of crypto investments. Never buy just because someone on TikTok said so. Verify information from multiple sources before making any decisions. Be cautious of hype. Social media can be a double-edged sword. While it offers a wealth of information, it can also be a breeding ground for misinformation and hype. Always cross-check the information you come across and consult multiple sources to ensure its accuracy. Be wary of influencers who may have hidden agendas or are paid to promote certain coins. Your investment decisions should be based on solid research and not on fleeting trends or viral videos. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Security first, always. Protect your investments by ensuring your accounts are secure. Be patient and vigilant. In the digital age, security cannot be overstated. Use complex passwords that combine letters, numbers, and special characters. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Regularly update your passwords and be cautious of phishing scams. Your vigilance in securing your investments will pay off in the long run, as it minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and potential losses. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time and patience. Stay updated with market trends and news. Consistency is key. The allure of quick profits can be tempting, but it's important to approach cryptocurrency with a long-term perspective. Market fluctuations are normal, and it's crucial to remain patient during downturns. Consistently monitor market trends, read news updates, and stay informed about regulatory changes. This ongoing effort will help you make strategic decisions and avoid impulsive actions that could lead to losses. Follow news, subscribe to newsletters, and watch trusted channels. Staying informed will help you make better investment decisions. Knowledge is your best tool. The cryptocurrency landscape is ever evolving, with new developments and innovations emerging regularly. By subscribing to newsletters, following trusted news sources, and watching educational channels, you can stay ahead of the curve. This continuous learning process will empower you to make well-informed decisions and adapt to changes in the market. Remember, in the world of crypto, staying informed is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Crypto is still in its early days. Many experts believe we're only scratching the surface. From digital identity to voting systems, from global payments to Web3, blockchain and crypto could revolutionize how the internet and finance work. So that's your crash course on cryptocurrency. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly content, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll try to answer as many as I can.